So there's not much sun out today. There wasn't much out yesterday either. But I'm trying to recharge my power station so I have that to use. And so I figured I'd just throw out my solar panels and see what I can get. With almost no sun visibility, I'm still getting 38 coming in. So it's better than nothing. We'll just leave it here for a while and see how much I can get it charged. I saved the stems for Ranger because he loves to eat them. Super windy out today, but it's the first day here where it's really nice and sunny. It's so pretty out. Ranger's playing with this frisbee. I really need power and it's sunny out, so I put my solar panel out and I put it against this rock so that it won't blow away. And I got my power station hooked up to it, and hopefully I'll get that recharged today. It is a chilly morning in Montana. My fire went out last night, so I woke up and had to restart that because it was really chilly. But we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna make coffee, we're gonna make breakfast. It's gonna be a great day. As if I didn't have enough ways to make coffee before, I decided to get myself this little mocha pot. I'm gonna try and use it more of like an espresso maker is kind of my idea behind that. So if y'all have never used a mocha pot before, the top part right here is where your coffee ends up. It comes out through this top part here. It'll actually boil it from the bottom and come out into the top here. Then you have this bottom part here. And this is where your coffee goes. There's this little filter right here. You fill this up with coffee. You fill the bottom up with water. You know, put your coffee on there and then screw the whole thing back together. And then you set it on your heat source and you wait for the water to boil up through there and come out the top. And then I like to take my coffee cup and put it on top of my wood stove. I like to put it up here so that the coffee cup can warm up, so that it will make my hands a little toastier, and then also it won't drop the temperature of the coffee so quickly. Ranger and I went for a walk this morning, and then I worked out a lot on the way here, so my body is just tired and sore. So I put the back deck down so that I could do some stretching, and when I was done, Ranger decided that he wanted to snuggle. He figured that this would be a good spot to lay for a bit. So Ranger and I are here in Glacier National Park, and I'm doing some mountain biking, something I've wanted to get into now, and a really good friend of mine gave me her mountain bike, so I am so blessed and so grateful for it. It's kicking my butt a little bit because I haven't done it in a while, but it's a good time. I had Ranger running next to me for a while. I kind of taught him how to run next to the bike on a leash, and so that's been working out really well so far. He hasn't dragged me off the bike, but little guy gets tired pretty quickly, and I don't want to push him too much, so he's taking a break in the truck, and I'm going for a longer ride. Like having a fresh cup of coffee at the edge of the lake.